What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Ricky Somborn, and today we're going to learn how to play AM by One Direction on the good old uke. As always, with every ukulele tutorial, I will include a skip to section right here, where you can skip to either the chords or the strumming for this song if you don't want to sit through an entire 10-minute video. I totally get it, I totally understand, but if you did watch the entire video, I'd love you forever. Also, one thing I do want to note is that the full play along for this song will now be on Patreon, so if you want to support this channel, check the links in the description below or just type in that URL on screen and it'll take you to my Patreon page and you can subscribe if you want to for some extra support. But as always, the entire chord sheet for this song will be also in the description below. You can copy and paste it and keep it for yourself. And if you're like, what is a chord sheet? That is the lyrics with the chords right above the word, so you know exactly when to change chords. So with all that being said and done, let's go ahead and get into the chords that we need for this song. Alright, so let's talk about the chords that we need for this song. So the chords are A minor, C, F, and last but not least, G. So those are all the chords you need for this song. As always, if you're like, Ricky, I know the chords, let's move on to the strumming pattern. Let's go, let's go, let's go. I got you. Again, skip to section will be your best friend. Skip to whatever timestamp it says for the strumming. But if you're like, Ricky, I just started playing a week ago, yesterday, an hour ago, please help me. I have no clue what to do with this uke. Don't worry, this is why this video exists. We're gonna go step by step on where to put our fingers on the uke for each chord, and then we'll talk about strumming. So if you wanna learn the chords and where to put your fingers on the uke, then just keep on watching. Alright, so let's learn these chords. As always, I will have a visual representation of where you need to put your fingers on the uke. I feel like it just helps a lot when you can visually see and then have me talk you through it. So with that all being said and done, let's talk about the first chord that we need, which is the A minor chord. And how we're going to do this one is you're going to take your middle finger and you're going to place your middle finger on the 4th string, 2nd fret, and it should sound like this. The next chord that we need is the C chord, and how we're going to play this one is you're going to take your ring finger and you're going to place your ring finger on the 1st string, 3rd fret, and it should sound like this. The next chord that we need is the F chord, and how we're going to play this one is you're going to take your pointer finger and you're going to place your pointer finger on the 2nd string, 1st fret. Then you're going to take your middle finger and place it on the 4th string, 2nd fret, and it should sound like this. And the last chord that we need is the G chord, and how we're going to play this one is you're going to take your pointer finger and you're going to place your pointer finger on the 3rd string, 2nd fret. Then you're going to take your middle finger and place it on the 1st string, 2nd fret. And then you're going to take your ring finger and place it on the 2nd string, 3rd fret, and it should sound like this. Perfect. So those are all the chords that you need for this song. As always, if you do need a little bit more extra time, make sure to press the pause button right now, rewind to whatever section or chord that you need a little bit more time on, and then once the chords sound crisp and clear, press play, and now let's talk about how we're going to play this song with the strumming coming up next. Alright, so we just learned the chords. Now let's talk about how we're going to play this song. So I'm going to teach you 2 different ways that you can do this. The first way is going to be for the true beginner who's like, Ricky, I just started playing. I don't want to deal with the finger picking or strumming. I just want to get through the song. I love One Direction. This is my favorite song. Please just let me go through the song without doing a strumming pattern or whatever. I got you. The first way is going to be super simple, where you're just going to do a down strum. So whenever you see a chord, you're just going to down strum. And again, the entire chord sheet will be in the description below, so you can copy and paste it, save it on your laptop, phone, wherever you want, and that will be my gift to you. Again, check the description. Everything important will be in the description below, so whenever you see a chord change, it just strum down. So I'm going to go ahead and strum the intro so you can hear what it should sound like. It'll be like, won't you stay till the AM? my favorite conversations always made in the AM. Yeah, yeah. So again, you're just going to strum down for every chord change, and it's super simple, super easy, and super doable for the beginner that just wants to get through this song. So the next way that we can play this song is actually going to be with a finger pick. So if you've ever wanted to add more finger picking into your playing, this one is definitely very easy and doable. So what we're going to do is you're going to pluck the 4th string, then the 3rd, and then the bottom 2 at the same time. So again, it's going to be 4, 3, bottom 2. And what I like to do is I like to play the 4th and 3rd string with my thumb, and then the bottom 2 with my pointer and middle finger. So it's going to go 4, 3, bottom 2. So you can do, for every chord, you're going to do that finger picking pattern once. So go, won't you stay till the AM? All my favorite conversations always made in the AM. Yeah. So you can do that strumming pattern once for every chord, or I'm sorry, finger picking pattern once for every chord. And again, that finger picking pattern is 4th string, then 3rd, and then bottom 2. And the fun thing about that finger picking pattern, you can literally do with like pretty much any song, and you can slow it down and make it more dramatic. And again, it just sounds really awesome with this song as well. Really awesome. Alright, so we learned the chords and the 2 different ways you can play this song. Congratulations, you now know how to play AM by One Direction on the good old uke. As always, if you did like this video, make sure you give it a big old thumbs up. Also, don't forget to hit that red subscribe button below and the bell notification to be notified every single time I upload a video right here on YouTube. And I want to give a huge shout out to you and a huge thank you for clicking on this video and choosing me to teach you and just to hang out with me for these 10-15 minutes. I truly, truly can't thank you enough. I know there's 86 trillion videos on YouTube, and thank you so much for clicking on this video and clicking the like button, and maybe, if you want to, just leaving a comment below letting me know hi or whatever song you want to see on this channel next. I'd love to get your feedback and get to know you a little bit better. Also, if you're anything like me and when you're watching a ukulele video and you're like, what uke is that? That looks really cool. Well, I'll tell you, this is the Enya ukulele. It is an Enya concert uke, and the color is really cool. There's also stars on the fretboard and just a little detail around the sound hole. And the color of this uke is so awesome. If you do want to get this uke, I will leave a link in the description below. It's to the Amazon page. We can be uke twins. Again, this uke is super affordable and it plays really nicely, as you just heard in this video. I'm pretty sure this uke, I think, is around $70, $75. Again, a link will be in the description for the Amazon page. Highly recommend this one. And I'm pretty sure it also comes in a couple different colors. So if bluish, turquoisey, green is not your color, there's a few other options. And again, Enya ukes, they make great, affordable, really awesome sounding ukes, so I highly recommend this brand. And last but definitely not least, we do have merch for this channel. We have the official Uke Fam merch, and this week we just launched the Potato Squad merch. Everything will be linked in the description below. The Potato Squad merch is super fun and I love the design, so hopefully you love it as well. If you do get a piece, make sure to tag me on Instagram in a story or a post. My Instagram is just at Ricky Somborn. We've reached over 56,000 Instagram family members. I can't thank you guys enough for that. If you haven't joined on the Instagram fam yet, make sure to follow me at Ricky Somborn. I will also leave a link in the description below. And if you do get the piece of merch, make sure to tag me so I can share it with everybody else. We always love to see you guys in the merch. So thank you so much for all the support. And finally, thank you again for watching this video. I really appreciate hanging out with me for these 10-15 minutes. It really means a lot to me that you want to hang out and you trust me to, one, teach you a song, and two, hang out with me for these 10-15 minutes. It really makes my day. Make sure to leave a comment below letting me know what other songs you want to see on this channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.